Hey gang, we're at El Grullense here by Goodwill. You guys commented, I came. Let's go give it a try.
Mi Gruyense is a staple in Oakland. Y'all know I had to come give it a try, mostly because you guys commented about it. I got a torta al pastor. It was simple yet so delicious. A quesadilla de asada. It was good as well. 3 tacos, 1 de carnitas. Y'all, the carnitas was so fire. Come give that a try. Also, asada and cabeza taco. I don't know if I caught them on a bad day, but it was not good. Neither was the burrito de asada. Not that good. The agua de piña fire, and the agua de horchata wasn't that good either. Where should I go next? Give me a like and follow. Bye.